How to make a Cancer man fall in love. Every guy is different, but men who fall under the Cancer sign of the zodiac often share similar traits and fall in love in similar ways. Become the sort of woman a Cancer man might desire if you want him to fall for you. Nurture him and connect to his sensitive side. Seek self-improvement. Maintain a stable life. The Cancer man typically has his life together, and to some degree, he may expect the same from you. Your accomplishments do not need to be the exact same as his, but your life should demonstrate a certain degree of stability. Show him that you can take care of yourself without him. You should have some direction for your life and be capable of caring for your basic needs. Resist the urge to depend on him materially. Even though most Cancer males are capable of supporting you materially, it's best to avoid that type of situation. If the Cancer guy in your life has any reason to suspect that you might be after his money, he might cut himself off from you emotionally. Unless he offers to pay for you on every date, you should take turns or occasionally split the bill. Don't make any demands regarding gifts or things you want him to buy. If he does like to dote on you with various material gifts, you should make sure that you give plenty to him, as well. The gifts do not need to be expensive, but they should show a comparable amount of affection. Stand up for yourself. You might be worried about making your sensitive Cancer man upset if you argue with him, but a healthy argument can actually increase the esteem he holds for you. The key is making sure that your arguments are reasonable and healthy. Don't lash out, aim for his weak spots, or make unfair accusations. When the time comes to reconcile, don't hold back. Take care of your appearance. Generally speaking, Cancer men can be somewhat superficial regarding appearances. You don't need to be a beauty queen, but dressing up for him every now and then can certainly help your cause. You don't need to do anything extreme, but when you should generally maintain good hygiene, wear a little makeup, and dress in clothes that flatter you, scent can be another powerful tool. Look for a feminine, flowery perfume, body wash, or shampoo. Make it your signature scent and let him learn to associate it with you. Behave in a graceful manner. Since Cancer men are sensitive beings, they can appreciate inward beauty as well as outward beauty. Try to go through life in a poised, graceful manner. Losing your temper on occasion is natural and fine, but it needs to be the exception to the rule and not your standard behavior.